Okay, spontaneous video. I'm going to meditate now for 1 hour. Why am I doing this? I'm just doing my Master of Psychology. I'm just finishing that and doing my master thesis. And in psychology, I learned so often about mindfulness and also meditation specifically, how healthy it is, that you release stress much better, you connect more to your authentic self and you realize who you truly are. Your brain even ages slower, all kind of aspects. A lot of aspects. I even already shot a video about this. And that's why I also started. And I do meditate every morning for 20 minutes, more or less focused. And I also did a Vipassana 10-day meditation retreat like 2 years ago. But it has been a while to really meditate for 1 hour. And what I'm going to do is I'm just going to focus on this triangle here, my nose, and feel how the breath comes in. And I leave it out, a bit more warmer. And generally just focus on my nose here. And whenever something itches or I want to think about something or I want to move, I'm not doing this. I'm staying here. Just breathe. That's what I'm doing. And mindfulness, I just wrote this down here. Mindfulness is the moment-to-moment awareness cultivated by paying attention in a specific, sustained, and non-judgmental way. And that's what I'm basically doing with just focusing my attention on here. I'm doing this now and then I will tell you how I will feel. It will be definitely challenging. It's very hard to do it, right? You probably never tried this before. Just give it a try. And also subscribe to this YouTube channel if you like this video and generally those type of videos. And also comment below. I really want to interact with you, get your feedback. And I like trying new things right now, so I'm looking forward to your feedback and your comments. And I would say I just start with the challenge. 1 hour. By the way, I built this meditation seat here. It's very handy. You can just sit on there. It's good for your back. Set my timer for 1 hour. And I would say, let's go. It's really interesting to observe your monkey mind. I think this was the biggest challenge because there's so many thoughts coming up. I was like, the window is open here. It's a little bit cold. Shall I stand up now and close the window? Oh, now my knee hurts. Now my back hurts. Did I set the timer? Should I check whether I set the timer? Then even the intrusive thought came up. Should I just stop and just finish the video and just tell you guys that I meditated for 1 hour, but I didn't? Should I do this? And I was like, no, Marco, like this is the monkey mind. Welcome to the challenge. You're sitting here now. And this is what I was trying to do as best as possible. And now I feel like my mind is just a little bit more calm and not so reactive to those outer stimuli that are coming up all the time. I feel a stronger peace of mind right now. And it was definitely challenging. And if you never meditated before, I would actually not advise you to do this and actually just start with 10 minutes and do a guided meditation. You can find a lot of those on YouTube. Yeah. But definitely a nice way to spend your evening for an hour. And I enjoyed it in the end very much, the results. But it's work. It's delayed gratification, right? You put effort into something and it takes time, it's pain, but then on the long run you get something out of it. That's my conclusion. Calming the monkey mind, this is the most important result that I gained right now here. Peace of mind, a little bit of clarity, I feel clear. And I'm looking forward to the rest of my evening right now because I'm much more mindful, I won't be so distracted. And I'm trying to do some more creative tasks right now. And yeah, if you enjoyed this video, give it a thumb up and subscribe to this YouTube channel. And let me know what other videos you would like to enjoy. As I said, I'm a psychologist, so let me know what any topic that you would like to know, generally about growing and developing a human being, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.